In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales tax payments in QuickBooks Online if you need to keep your books accurate and make sure your sales tax liability is properly reduced after you've made a payment. This is an important task to know. The good news is that QuickBooks Online makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your own account. Start by going to All Apps on the left side of your QuickBooks screen. This is where you can access the different areas of your company file. From there, choose Sales Tax from your menu and then select Overview. This will take you to the main sales tax area, where QuickBooks tracks what you owe, what's due, and any tax-related activity connected to your business. Once you're on the Overview page, look for the Sales Tax Due widget. This section gives you a quick snapshot of any returns or payments that need your attention. Click on View Due Returns to open the list of returns that are currently due. This is especially helpful if you file with more than one tax agency, because it lets you identify the exact payment you want to record. Next, find the agency you are paying. Take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the correct agency, since many businesses may have multiple tax obligations depending on location or filing setup. After you've found the right one, click the caret next to View Summary. This will expand the details for that agency. Then click Record Payment next to that agency to begin entering the payment information. Now choose the bank account you used to make the payment from the drop-down menu. This is an important detail because it ensures the payment is connected to the correct account in your books, helping your bank activity and your accounting records stay aligned. After that, enter the correct payment date and the total payment amount. Be sure these match the actual payment you sent. Accuracy here matters, especially when you're reconciling your accounts later or reviewing prior tax payments. Once everything looks correct, click Record Tax Payment to finish. That's what tells QuickBooks to officially record the payment and reduce the sales tax balance for that return. And that's it. Your sales tax payment is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to quickly review the entry afterward to make sure the date, amount, and bank account are all correct. That small check can help you avoid cleanup later and keep your records neat and reliable.